एक 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 बड़ा छोटा सा वाक्य है, छोटा सा क्या है बस, ठीक है। हाँ हाँ, कोई कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। मैं तो पहले ही कहा था, पाकिस्तानी पीएम अब हमारा कब्जा है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस पे। और whatever is thinking whatever is thinking of these all no political lobby, that if they are going to enjoy my victory, then I'm not going to allow them, no? Why should I allow them? My victory is mine. Very simply, and my victory is for my team. I know my team. Definitely, Bharatiya Janata Party is never in my team. And Narendra Damodar Das Modi is never my team. I defeat Imran Khan. I defeat Pakistan. I created a graph. Ashoka the Great Razor Force Para Hunter 9. बेटा पिछवाड़े में ना दोनों पासों के बीच में पड़ेंगे बेटा, सखुनी मामा बनेगा तू है। साफ सीधी बात है तुम तो एडग्राफ से भिड़ के दिखा दो। रेजर्स बटालियन बनाई मैंने because Indian Army was searching a special order from an international level. Why? Indian Army Nirvana himself asked me my support in a special meeting with Bajwa. I was there. I gave them my SPG, Dasha Avatar. बिल्कुल, I was there. दशा अवतार मैंने दिखाया। They gave me a 1326 1326 मेरा बेल्ट नंबर है भाई साहब, पैरा एसएफ। क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? You can't deny. I created 1350 Indian Army post. I created more than a 25 special post in POK. My armies, US Army, United States of America's Army, US Navy SEAL supported me. Not Modi's team. They opened a fire on JSR securities. Yes. On special command of Pakistani Army. I support SWAT. I support NSG. I support Marcos. I support Para SF. आप लोग उनको क्या बोले? You order to court martial them? Nirvana, Bipin Rawat himself directly ordered a court martial to them. Why? Because we crossed LOC? Yes, we will. हम हर लाइन क्रॉस कर देंगे, भागा लौड़ा सीमा चोट देंगे। साफ सीधी बात है, लड़ फर्क नहीं पड़ता हमें। You created a name as Seema. Now Seema is my wife. Yes. I don't care. POK is in my jurisdiction. I feel very special honor because of United States of America's Army. They supported us. They are with us in a war with terrorism. United States of America's Army supported our boys. They supported NSG. They supported Marcos, Para SF, SWAT, CRPF, CRP. I love to thank Ivanka Trump. But what Modi was doing? What Bharatiya Janata Party was doing? They opened fire on GSR securities. They allowed their boys, Bharatiya Janata Party's boy and other politicians. What they said? They directly denied a war in media, Indian media. We killed more than 9,000 special commanders of Pakistani Army in POK. Why you deny so? Because of I tweeted? Because I tweeted because of those all things on my command. I ordered to kill each and every politician on earth. Because these all are trying to be a president for next 20 years. They are raising price. Yes, we are with the United States of America's Army. I am in now Delta Force as a bomb detection and disposal squad, as a sergeant. Interpol honor me. I am an Interpol officer 946. Today they honor me as a first contact in a rapid response unit in Interpol. I especially allow NSG, National Security Guard, Black Cat Commandos, NSG 946 as a special Interpol officer and investigation team. I ordered a special belt number for Rabi Pirzada, Rabi 946. I never tweet for anyone. Each and every tweet is totally from my mind. Now what Modi was saying? Modi created a team with Ranbir and Dhillon just to ask a special status of Khalistan for a Sikh regiment. What Amrinder Singh did? He specially invited ISIS new chief Abu Bakr al-Hashmi in India just because to ignite Islam against Hinduism. He was forcing an Indian citizen in a civil war. Don't worry. What he did? What Basi was doing? What is this VK Singh was doing? They directly ordered to insult me and my family. Come on, yaar. I know each and every code. I know each and every code. What I said to Anita Thaवर, मैंने बोला थूक दिया उस पे. अब उसका आज क्या बोला मैंने? रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, थूक लगा के करो ट्राई. क्यों अनीता तंवर जी? आया मजा? Because Maryam Nawaz Sharif was directly in contact of Anita Thaवर. पागल समझे है क्या? And Rabi Pirzada was doing a business with a PMO, with a Modi. What Modi said to me? He was showing a bomb to me. He was threatening me. Rabi Pirzada with a suicide bomber jacket, she threatened me. She threatened me directly because I tweeted to search inside the burqa just to secure our VIPs and VVIPs. Because I was the first security officer of Prime Minister office. Bharat Sarkar SPG 1437 is my permanent number. My base number is 37. I was born SPG and I am born SPG. Why I am using a was? Because it's related to my birth. I'm having a cha and ra letter on my thumb, even a Om. That's why Om Birla was inside the parliament. ये लोग कुलभूषण जाधव का केस लाकर they were just trying to insult our nation because Pakistan captured a research and analyzing wing spy. No, he was not, because myself is a Kulbhushan in research and analyzing wing. They are working in a significance. He was the brother of Abu Bakr al-Hashmi, new ISIS chief. Because the help of Reliance. Where was the Mukesh Ambani code? I ordered to purchase. America's government, they throw out Reliance from their country. Now Reliance was not even a 1 square inch land in America. I own Florida. United States of America. America has honored me. They gifted me Florida and New York. Donald Trump honored me. He invested my money in JBK World Forum. They are with us in war against the war of terrorism. What was that? The special work of Sudhir Chaudhary? He just showed a special text in a yellow color. Bharat Jahar. Shut up, traitors. You are taking a bribe from Bangladesh just to stop my tweet? Why? नहीं बनाने देंगे अपनी जमीन पे एक नया देश. नहीं देंगे, बिल्कुल नहीं देंगे. Because Khalistani and Sikh was involved with the Congress to create new Bangladesh, an Islamic nation. ISIS ordered to open their headquarters inside the Bangladesh to ignite a special war against my nation. Why should I allow them? I don't need your personal interest. Even I am not going to take care of your personal interest, whatever it is. Live for country and die for country. Country, it's a central vigilance country. Bharat Sarkar is a believe in central vigilance. It's a vigilance country. कामाख्या देवी का मंदिर इस देश में है, समझे? कामाख्या ये होती है, ये देखना तुम्हें अपनी मां का भोसड़ा। भगवती जानते हो? ये देखोगे मेरे हाथ पे है भगवती का निशान, मैंने बनाया, सेंट्रल विजिलेंस ने बनाया था। ये देखो, बिना बेहोश करे ऑपरेशन किया था। ये है तुम्हारी मां का भोसड़ा। क्यों धर्मेंद्र, इसी को हाथ लगाया था? काट के फेंकवा दूंगा तुझे नाले में। अब क्या हुआ? भारत से ज्यादा पैसा है तुम्हारे पास। जिस दिन मैंने अपनी ताकत दिखाई ना, उस दिन इनकी हालत खराब हो गई थी। मैंने खरीदी मरियम नवाज शरीफ की, पाकिस्तान की 33% प्रॉपर्टी। कहां जाओगे भाग के? क्यों? भारत में न्यूज मीडिया वाले कहते हैं जब कि न्यूज तब दिखाएंगे हितेश के ट्विटर हैंडल की जब उसको सुपर वॉइस में रखोगे। अपने हिसाब से दिखाएंगे, पैसे में हिस्सा चाहिए। तुम्हारी मां नहीं चोद दूंगा फिर मैं।